I can show you the world. Not every budget.
Turning eastbound, helicopter 808 Whiskey Tango.
Number 10 Juliet, turn left crosswind.
Turning left crosswind 10
Hi guys, here we go.
And Tower 01 Delta looking for landing instructions.
Number 72 Mike, runway 29 clear 2 lanes. Right, 401 Delta, continue. You can turn inbound now and expect your landing clearance. Report 128, I'm crossing 128.
01 Delta, roger. We can speed up or slow down if you like.
Your speed, if you can speed up, that would be great right now.
01 Delta, we'll give her all she gets.
Number 21 Charlie Charlie, ident.
Number 21 Charlie Charlie, identity.
You guys good? Everyone's
Beautiful.
fine.
Number 21 Charlie Charlie, roger, enter. Continue inbound, enter.
Check us out in the yellow helicopter.
Transition through the airspace to Cape Ann.
Update 08 Whiskey Tango Beverly, proceeds request altimeter 3024.
Proceed as requested, helicopter 808 Whiskey Tango.
It looks cool flying over the water solo.
There's frequencies. Runway 5 Vassy out of service. Taxiway November closed. Feedback hold short.